I thought I'd do a video analysis of GDVM and what happened today. Um, she's been on quite a tear, as you can see by this little chart here. And today the shit hit the fan. Um, One guy posted that some team said that they got in around trip 6, and I'm imagining that was right here. This is the day she had this 156 factor, traded 422,000, and just started going up from there. Okay, and she just kept going, traded pretty good volume, pretty good dollars. I mean, here's almost $1 million, and she goes up and up and up. And yesterday she hit a 200-day high on the price. I think one of the factors here is she's right around 10 cents. Okay, that's what I call a major level, and they're hard to bust through, especially after you've got, let's see, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days, green days in a row, and actually 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 if you discount this little 1% drop here. So what happened today? I'm going to try to break it down on the chart. Now, there's a couple of things that happened. One was somebody took up a huge short position, and they posted about it on Twitter. And right here you can see on the volume here, this is 7.5, this is 8 million shares. Let's zoom in on that. Let's go to a 1 minute and then zoom in. So she's bebopping along here right around 2 o'clock, and she's having a little bit of trouble here. And then this guy comes in. One guy came in here, a nice little sell. But then this one here, that's a sell, but the volume isn't that big. You see on this line here, she dropped from 10.05 down here to 10 on not much volume. Okay, and then somebody hit her right here. Actually, there was 2 trades here. There was this trade here of around a little more than 2 million. And I'm imagining at this point the bid is not, there's not a lot of bid support. For this guy, I mean, maybe there was, but obviously not enough to where this almost 2 million shares sell. I'm thinking this was the short here. Either that or the group got out, a combination of things. One of these is probably the short, the other one is this group that got in. They said they got in down here at trip 6 or double 6. So yeah, this one probably triggered not so many bids anymore, and this one really took them out. But then he had a huge buy here. Look at this. I think this is where he covered, right here. Now, if he was the first one, then one of these would have been the short. And then everybody else in the group and that team, it was two things that did this, the short and that team that got out. And they got out, but I think this is where he covered, right here. Huge buy. That pushed her back up, and then some more buys and then sells. But I think a lot of this was, everybody that's in here, like you had, 1.2 million shares or dollars traded yesterday, at 9, between 8 and 10 actually. So you gotta imagine these guys are a little bit nervous. cautious. Um, so it was just a combination of things to where once this one happened that knocked her below 10, and this guy comes in, or just everybody piled on. But this was in a minute. Okay, this is a minute chart, so this happened in a minute. Uh, and then they took her back up, and then sevens, and then you had some more selling, pretty good volume, like 500,000 shares here. And then what's this one? This one was another sell, but by this time the buyers are coming in. She's like way down. So toward the end of the day, you get more buying, pushing her back up. So anyway, that's I think what happened here. I know that the shorter tweeted about it. I believe they did. Up in Canada, they have shorting crews that short all the time, and they make a ton of money. So I don't know what you can learn about this. Um, Watch it like a hawk. I have this theory that 12, anytime a stock reaches 12, they get real weak. It's time to sell. Of course, this one made it to 11, not 12, but so anyway, let's see what happens tomorrow. I think looking at this buying, she's probably going to go up again. But she's hurt, you know what I mean? So it's going to take some time for her to recover, I think. Depends on what the company releases. Anyway, that's it. I thought I'd make this video for you guys. Alright, that's it.